What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Umentri rangba kajala ukonrat ke sangma haga khat nyaw tarik risau. Ula pentip ba ula Pdeng ban Buddien ban dawa nak Sorkar Pdeng. Ban pynioh no la ka jong ka Meghalaya IAS Cadre. Ya kani ukonrat ula penpah ba keren haga jingalang basisian shisnam. Jong ka Meghalaya Civil Service Officers Association MCSOA kabalalong ha State Convention Center Shillong. Ngala Pdeng ban Buddien halor ka jingdawa ban pynioh no la ka jong ka Meghalaya Cadre na du snam arjar khat kendai bat nga kermen skam ba shen kani kan sa urlong ki jingpen kala bat penbait renti na ka benta ka MCS ka long ka bakong san kumba ki long na ka benta ki wei pat ki jing shakri ulaong Umentri rangba ula ay ka jingaro ik officer MCS halor ka jing IT lot ka jongki ha ka jing shakri bat pen skam ru ya ka jingkut jingmod jong ka Sorkar ban pen klanya ka rukam trekam ha ka jela ha ka bakut hi baro nya trelang na ka benta ka ju ka thong kata ban shakri ki pat ba ka jela jongi omdan ki jing trekam omdan ki policy omdan ki rai ki badan jingmod lamdang i pen kan mau yaladi baka thong ka jongi ka long ban wanra ka jingkala ka babha ha ka jing em jongki brio ula ong ula kentu ru eki officer bakin yai Pdeng ban sha yalam ha ka jing thmu ba ka jing shakri da ka baong ka kerdan kan kala henry ka jing thmu ka dei ban ne bet kumju da ka babanjur halor ki sin jam jonga jing sngoret ha ka kam sen shar khadar ula ban rap da ka baong ka India kan sedang shisha ban kala tat hadien bagi risan perthei kin persyang ban ong em bat ki officer kin persyang ban ong hooi haba pen paw ya jingkermen halor ka jingkiu shaprang jong ka Meghalaya ukonrat ula pen paw menta ka jela ka dei ka bawan baar ha ka jingkiu stand ha ka liang ka yo ka kat ha ka ri India kata ka bakan jo palat 10% ka jingkiu bat lakhmi lenti bakan kenjo sha ka khat ar du khat 100% ha kini kindet snam giban wan kane ka khana jong ka jingkiu ha ka jela ka dei ka jongi lang baro ula banram ki wei pat ki bala jingkren ha kani kasngi ki kenthop ya u commissioner and secretary ka Sorkar jela u ba Cyril Pdeng do u president ka Meghalaya Civil Service Officers Association u Ashish M Sangma deputy commissioner East Khasi Hills kong RM Kurba but ba Alexander S Mukim deputy secretary na lor ki wei
no work or no kind of thought process and no action is meaningful without realizing this inside and telling yourself that that is what you're here for. So I think as a team we need to keep that goal in mind, and I can't stop in fact reiterating and stressing on this very, very important objective, because if this objective and this purpose is not clear in front of you, I'll tell you there are so many situations where you will be misguided, you will divert, you will maybe end up doing the wrong things, which at the end of the day will be harmful to the people as well as to you. And therefore I think I repeat this. I know it's very tiring for all of you to hear this every time, but I hope that every morning when you get up, that is the first thing that you should tell yourself, that there is a purpose for me, and the purpose is to do some good for the person who I meet today and for the people of my state, and be able to make that positive difference in their life. And I think this reminder of this every morning, again I'm sharing something slightly personal, but this is really my morning prayer. I'm being very candid with you today. I get up and these are the words I repeat to myself every day without fail, and it motivates me and allows me to work.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.